Understanding Cold Composting, an easy guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and environmentally friendly process called cold composting. If you're interested in gardening or sustainable living, this topic is especially relevant for you. So, let's dive into the world of composting and learn how it helps our environment. Composting is a natural process that turns organic waste, like food scraps and garden clippings, into nutrient-rich soil. It's an excellent way to recycle kitchen and garden waste. There are two main types of composting: cold and hot. Today, we're focusing on cold composting. Cold composting is the simpler form of composting. It involves collecting organic waste in a pile or bin and letting it decompose over time. This method is called cold because it doesn't require actively managing the temperature of the compost pile. It's a slow process, taking anywhere from 6 months to a year to produce compost. Cold composting is beneficial for several reasons. 1. Easy and low maintenance. It doesn't require much effort beyond collecting and depositing waste. 2. Environmentally friendly. It reduces landfill waste and recycles nutrients back into the earth. 3. Improves soil health. The compost produced is a great fertilizer for gardens. To start cold composting, you need 1. A bin or designated area in your garden. 2. A mix of greens, nitrogen-rich materials like fruit and vegetable scraps, and browns, carbon-rich materials like leaves and paper. 3. Regular addition of organic waste. 4. Patience, as it takes time for the compost to develop. Balance your greens and browns. This ensures effective decomposition. Chop larger pieces. Smaller pieces decompose faster. Keep it moist. The pile should be damp, but not too wet. Turn the pile occasionally. This helps aerate it, although it's not strictly necessary for cold composting. I hope this video has shed light on the simplicity and benefits of cold composting. It's a wonderful way to contribute to a healthier environment right from your backyard. Remember, anyone can start composting with just a little bit of space and patience. Happy composting, and see you in the next video.